Give you an idea of the zoom. That's what I'm going to do here. I'm going to zoom in on the house across the street. When I zoom it in, you can't even see the whole house.
Yeah? You can zoom in on a motor and everything?
Yeah. Got all those wires laying on it. If you open the doors, I'll do the interior real fast too. Yeah, well, it'd be like the before and after then, you know? You want it to look dirty, you just let people know what you went through to do it. No, don't worry about it. Take care of that dash, put it away, you know? You're not going to use this steering wheel column, right? It's amazing. I like to zoom on these things. They're pretty wild. Are your hands clean? I'll let you do it. You want to do it for a second?
Looks good from here.
Yeah. Geez, you'll always be spending so much time just to keep that polished.
I'm gonna get that much used, believe it. Just take a picture from over here.
All right. I'll do it around all angles. I got a couple minutes left on tape. Then I just hook this into the VCR and I can make you a copy right on onto a VCR tape.
What's this? You can play that right away.
Yeah, you can play this right away.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, I can bring it in now and hook it. That's why I asked you if the TV had those new plugs on it.
Probably.
All new TVs. Does it have these on it? I got the cables. You just run the cables right to it. Like the VCR has them on the back. And you can watch it instantly. You can watch it instantly right now through the camera. If you ever have an accident again, if I had this camera, you take the camera down and you do the evidence, you know what I mean? It's admissible in court, these things. Did you know that?
Oh, yeah?
Sure is. Anymore it is. The cops use them. You know that guy Richie Peterson? If I stop and see him at the cop shop, he runs a videotape of drunks, and you'd be laughing if you saw him.
These guys want to go out, I know that.
I had him out after you got home. Might as well get the house in real fast for Kath. It's not good to aim these things right in the sun, you know that? Tells you not to do that. Who's that, Max? Who's that? What you say? Go ahead. What you say, Mishka? Who's that? Who's that? What? Mishka, speak. What? Who's that? Who's that? Rambo. Rambo. Who's that, Rambo? Here. Here, Max.